The Sun. Although the Sun is actually an ordinary star, it's very important to the inhabitants of the Earth. It's the closest star to the Earth and is the source of majority of the Earth's energy. It looks so small because it's about 93 million miles away. But actually, this is a million times the size of the Earth. Even though it is so far away, we can still feel the intense heat. The Sun was created out of the same clouds of gas and dust that formed the rest of the solar system. Its cloud probably came from the old star that exploded in the end of their life, as the stars sometimes do. The Sun is very active place. 10,000 mile high jets of burning gas called prominences and strange dark pitches called sunspots are caused by the Sun's amorphous electronic emotions electromagnetic field. Sunspots, as well as their other solar activities, seems to follow an 11-year circle. The Sun's atmosphere or corona can be seen during an eclipse. If you were to go down to the cold sun, you will experience temperature of around 27 million Fahrenheit. The Sun's surface, called the photosphere, filters sunlight, and although it is visible nearer the Sun, the temperature of the photosphere ranges from the 13,000 Fahrenheit and back to the 8,000 Fahrenheit at top. Its range average temperature is 10,000 Fahrenheit. The layer above the photosphere is called the chromosphere, the sphere of color, because of its reddish color. It is visible during the total eclipse of the Sun. The lower chromosphere absorbs some of the light that emits from the photosphere, causing the dark absorption lines of the Sun's spectrum. This absorption occurs because the lower chromosphere is cooler than the photosphere. The chromosphere is surrounded by the solar chroma, a faintly luminous outer atmosphere, as the atmosphere is 1,000 times dimmer than the Sun's disk. It's usually invisible. Before the invention of the coronagraphics, it could be seen only when the Sun was totally eclipsed by the Moon. When the photosphere is blocked out, the chromosphere is severely hollow. With long arcs and streamers. The arcs are usually invisible above the distributed region, especially when the prominences prominences are present. When the sunspot as a minimum, the corona has long streamers along the equator with shorter rays as a point. The change when the sunspots are at maximums. The corona then appears more circular with streamers distributed and forming lengths around the disk. The corona consists of a form of matter called plasma, a very hot gas composed of a sort of soup of charged particles. The corona has a temperature of about 3.6 million Fahrenheit, yet is not dense enough to produce much heat. The sun is not actually a solid body. It's made mostly of gas such as hydrogen and helium. Nuclear fusion reactions caused by the sun's massive gravitational field fuse the sun hydrogen into the helium. Those produce an enormous amount of the energy. Way more than enough to power all life on Earth. The various theories has been advanced to explain the sun's tremendous images output. Automatic theories finally provide an explanation. Scientists have agreed that there are more nuclear reactions are the source of the solar energy. As mentioned about, the sun's core is believed to be a super hot, extremely dense mass of automatic nucleus and electrons. Under these conditions, nucleus can collide and fuse into new and behavior nucleus. This is a type of molecular reaction called a fusion reaction. During such a reaction, some or most of the nucleus change into non-energy. The summer energy from some plants grow, which animals eat, and these animals are then eaten by others. The tilt of the earth causes sunlight to strike it at different angles throughout the years, causing seasons. The sun dictates the season, controls the weather, and dries the water cycles. Without the sun, the earth will quickly become the frozen ball, and all forms of life will die out. We are also very lucky because the earth is just the right distance from the sun, a distance closer, and all our life-sustaining water will fall away into the spaces a little further, and we will all frozen solid. If you stare the sun directly, powerful solar radiation can blind you for good. For this reason, sun should never be viewed directly. Furthermore, there is no safe way to view the sun through an ordinary telescope. Small glass and dark glasses give no protection from the great concentration of heat and light. The only safe way to study the sun is to project its image through the pinhole or telescope onto a white screen, and you should wear sunblock when you go outside for a long period of time. The ultraviolet radiation that the sun gives off and can cause permanent damage to your skin.